AI is revolutionizing robotics in ways we never thought possible. Imagine robots that can learn from their environment, adapt to new tasks, and even interact with humans seamlessly. This is not science fiction, it's happening now. Take autonomous drones, for example. They use AI algorithms to navigate complex terrains, avoiding obstacles while delivering packages. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots are optimizing production lines, predicting maintenance needs, and reducing downtime. Then there are social robots, designed to assist the elderly or provide companionship. These robots utilize natural language processing to understand and respond to human emotions, making interactions feel more genuine. AI also enhances robotic vision, allowing machines to recognize objects and make decisions in real time. This capability is crucial in fields like healthcare, where surgical robots can assist doctors with precision and accuracy. As we continue to integrate AI into robotics, the possibilities are endless. We're not just creating machines, we're building intelligent partners that can enhance our lives and tackle challenges we face today.